is this trailer has a 7.3 automatic leveling system that is up on the front tongue. Really easy to use, really serviceable, and it's the only travel trailer brand today in America that offers 7 points that actually touch the ground. Hi folks, Jeff Crum here, District Sales Manager for Keystone RV Company, here to show you the 35CG Outback. A couple of the cool features on the outside since we're already out here. One is this huge, massive kitchen with a 3 cubic foot refrigerator, because you do most of your entertaining outside when you're sitting out by the fire. And also the massive amount of storage we did here. In fact, Keystone, this is one of the only products that we do a drop frame storage, which gives you far more capacity to put all those bigger items that you might need to do when you're on the road. Let's take a walk. I want to take you inside the Outback 335CG as well, because one of the really cool, unique features is this ramp door back here. This gives you access to bring all the toys and goodies with you, or if you just need the extra office space, everything fits. So when you come in here in the back, as you guys can see, this sofa will fold up against the wall. We can easily fit a motorcycle, maybe a bicycle, coolers, your gas grill, whatever it may be. Plus there's plenty of bed space too. And one of the unique things here is this actually has a fully closable door. So you can actually use this space to have a guest, bring the kids along, not just used for a motorcycle or coolers and grills. It can be used for so many other things too. So come on, let's take a look inside. As you can see, the space is massive still in here. With a full slide out, it gives you plenty of room for all your guests. Not only do you have beds back there, of course this dinette will make into a bed too, or if you'd rather have it, we can do table and chairs. It's all for your comfort. Solid surface countertops throughout the coach, 10 cubic foot refrigerator, fireplace, and it's still a luxurious master bedroom up front. One of the nice things about our kitchen space too, lots of cabinets, plenty of room in here to make, whole meals, or of course, if you just want to entertain guests. We use the new Fuzion stovetop. It's only 2 inches thick. This is your range hood that brings the exhaust out of the coach. The benefit, it gives you room to put a full pot there. So if you want to still do a shrimp boil, big pot of spaghetti, you can still do that here. This trailer just keeps going and going, right? There's so much in here. Luxurious bathroom with 2 doors, entry doors from the bedroom and the bath. Hey, let's take a look in the bedroom too. Nice thing about our bedrooms, besides having all the wardrobe space you can see in here, USB charging ports and 110 outlets on both sides of the bed. So if you have a CPAP machine, or if you just want to plug in your smart device at the end of the day, you've got all the features and comforts. Plus 2 full air conditioners, and they're both central ducted ACs, so it'll run through the whole coach. So if you don't like a little noise over your head, just use the one in the living room. All those luxurious things come standard in the Outback. Hey, thanks again for taking a tour of the 35CG Outback by Keystone. For more information, feel free to go to our website at keystonerv.com.